Hi there, I'm Lisa Dorn, a naturopathic doctor at Barefoot Health Naturopathic Clinic. Today I'm going to be talking to you just briefly about my favorite remedy for stuffed up sinuses. It's that time of year when we're all going to be getting a virus or a sinus infection that could be causing some congestion. And it's great if we can keep the pressure out of those sinuses and prevent all those headaches and the feeling of really being a bit miserable with your cold. I think being stuffed up with your sinuses is one of the worst things that comes with a cold, and I hate it. So I thought I'd share with you some of my favorite tips for treating that. I'm not a huge fan all the time of taking supplements, so I like to find practical, easy things that you can do at home that's easy to help clean your sinuses or keep them clear and keep the mucus down. So one of my very first things, of course, is a steam tent, and you would do that using a bowl of warm water that you've boiled, that's steaming. You get a towel and you create a tent over the bowl where you put your head inside of the steam tent and breathe in that steam. The warm steam will thin the mucus and allow you to blow your nose and clear out your sinuses. You can put essential oils into the bowl. Eucalyptus is a really popular one. Oregano oil is very strong smelling, but is also very popular. And I'm sure that there are many other ones that you could use, but eucalyptus is probably the most common one. My second most favorite remedy for stuffed sinuses due to a cold is using a hydrotherapy technique. So just, again, water. And this is placing hot and cold alternating face cloths over the area of your sinuses. So you would start with warm, and you would leave the warm face cloth on your sinuses and try and get it as hot as you can. That's comfortable on your face. So you'd use that warm face cloth on your sinuses for 3 minutes. After the 3 minutes, you would have a second face cloth that you would put on that would be cold. And again, we're using this hot and cold alternating therapy to try and increase blood flow and help thin that mucus out so that you can clear it by blowing your nose or however else you're going to clear it. So you would do 3 circuits, so 3 minutes hot, 5 minutes cold, and you would repeat that 3 times, ending with cold. So that's another one of my favorite techniques. My third favorite technique is using a sinus lavage or a neti pot with usually just saline solution in it, so salt water. And you would use that to mechanically put saline solution up your nose, in through your sinuses, and out through your other side. And what that does, of course, is the saline solution will definitely thin the mucus. It'll kill any viruses or bacteria that are in there, and you're going to find that really speeds up recovering from your cold and flu and prevents all that mucus from sitting in your sinuses and causing headaches and that general feeling of being miserable. Anyway, I hope that helps you. Good luck with this cold and flu season, and I look forward to seeing you at the clinic. Bye-bye now.